Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah to all of you.
Wa alaikum salam.
Thank you for attending our lesson on Tajweed class, and today we'll be learning about one Tajweed rule that's called Al-Qalb or Iqlab. That means change. Okay? So, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده وحبيبه ورسوله وصلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى آله وأولاده وأزواجه وأتباعه أجمعين. So as I said, we will learn today about a Noon Saakin rule that's called Iqlab or Qalb, which means change. The word Qalb, it also means heart. It's referring to the heart, but since the heart changes, then it changes its shape and it rotates, so it changes. Then they've named this rule of a Noon Saakin as Al-Qalb or Iqlab. The changing of a Noon Sakina or Tanween into a Meme due to the fact that there is Ba coming next. Okay? So it only has one letter, which is Ba. From the rules that we learnt in the previous lessons, they were Idhar and another one was Idgham. Okay? So Noon Sakin has 4 rules. They are Idhar, Idgham, Ikhfa, and the rule that we're learning today is Iqlab. Can you just confirm that everyone is hearing me correctly and my mic is working well?
Yeah.
That's good. That's great. So if the letter Ba occurs immediately after the Noon Sakin or Tanween in the same word or between 2 words, then that Noon Sakin is changed into a Ba. When it says in the same word or between the 2 words, meaning that the Noon Sakin is at the end of one word and then Ba coming as first letter in the next word, right? That's what it means. Okay, then you change that Noon into the Ba. So it requires that the reader changes that Noon into a Ba completely. But this is not called merging. You are not merging it. You are completely changing the Noon into a Meme, sorry. Not into a Ba. So if the letter occurs immediately after a Noon Sakina in the same word or between 2 words, meaning that the Noon Sakin or Tanween would be at the end of the word and Ba the first letter of the next word, it is then required that the reader changes the Noon Sakin or Tanween into a hidden Meme with a Gunna. I apologize if I accidentally said change the Noon into a Ba. You change Noon into a Meme due to the fact that there is Ba coming after it. So the Noon Sakin is changed into a meme in pronunciation, but not in reading. not in writing. In writing, it remains the same, but you just change it in reading. Okay. You may know that in most copies of the Quran have a very small meme written right on top of the Noon Saakin there, or Tanween, which means it notifies you that the next letter is going to be a ba, so you change that noon into a meme. It is just as a reminder. Okay. So if you can all see my screen, right? I'm pointing at this word here in this example in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 31. فقال أنبئوني بأسماء هؤلاء إن كنتم صادقين. So فقال أنبئوني. It is written as أنبئوني. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that. فقال أنبئوني. But then, since there is a ba coming after noon sakin, and meme and ba have the same articulation point, and also noon and meme have gunna in them, so there is that similarity. Then you change that, noon into a meme. فَقَالَ أَنْبِئُونِي. So you completely close your lips. أَنْبِئُونِي, and you read it with the gunna. فقال أنبئوني. Okay. The next one is لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد. Surah Al-Rum, verse 4. لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد. So you change that noon into a meme, and as you can see, there is the little meme right on top of the noon sakin there. والله عليم بذات الصدور. Okay, this is in Surah Al-Taghabun, verse 4. والله عليم بذات الصدور. So here, alimun, then you have tanween here, dammatain. So what happens is, as you can see here, there is only one dhamma, right? And then the other one is replaced by a meme as a reminder to remind you that there is a changing here. والله عليم بذات الصدور. Okay, and you read that with the gunna as well. كلا لئن لم ينتهي لنسفعا بالناصية. Surah Al-Alaq, verse 15. I'll read that again. كلا لئن لم ينتهي لنسفعا بالناصية. So you hold that the gunna here, while you change the noon into a meme due to the fact that there is ba coming after it. You change that, and at the same time you pronounce it, you read it with the gunna. Okay? There are three actions necessary for the iqlab to be correct. Okay? Changing the noon sakin or tanween into a complete meme in pronunciation but not in writing, so that no trace of the sound of the noon sakina is left. What this is saying is, it just wants to make sure that you pronounce you change the noon into a meme correctly, and it doesn't sound like you're just merging it slightly or you're hiding it. It is actually completely changing it, and then you read it with a gunna. So that means you read you change the noon into a meme whilst you close your lips completely, right? So that the only sound that comes out is that sound from the nose, which is with a gunna. Gunna meaning nasalization, a sound that comes through the nose, through the nostrils here. Okay, so let's go on to the next page. And number 2 is hiding this meme. Yeah, so you hide this meme. This is done by closing the lips on the letters one time, similar to an idgham, right? Except the sound of the meme is completely distinct from the sound of the ba, which is similar to the idhar. So that's the reason why there is no changing here, because right at the end, yeah, you'll have ba coming quite firmly. So there is no merging. There is still that difference in sound. Okay, but when you're merging, right, you merge, and at the end of it there is no difference of the sound of the other letter which is to come after the noon sakina. But in this case, since there is that massive distinction between the sound of meme and the ba, so then there is no changing. You're just rather completely changing the noon into a meme. Okay, and this is why the ikhfa here is in a state between idgham and idhar, right? Observing a gunna while holding the meme, as I said a few moments earlier, this is a characteristic of the hidden meme and has nothing to do with either the noon sakina or tanween. So we'll just go over those verses again, okay? Just to make sure we do it in the correct way, and that the viewers who are going to be watching this video after the session ends, and hopefully there'll be many, this demonstrates to them in the correct way to read it. So we go again with that verse on Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 31. فَقَالَ أَنْبِئُونِي. Again, you don't say أَنْبِ, you say أَنْبِ. فَقَالَ أَنْبِئُونِي بِأَسْمَاءِ هَؤُلَاءِ إِن كُنْتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد. This one is on Surah Al-Rum, verse 4. لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد. The reason why I'm telling you the verse references is that so that you can find the verse in the surah yourself whilst you're watching this video and learning to implement the rule. The next verse is in verse 4, Surah At-Taghabun. Wallahu alimun bidhati as-sudur. Again, Wallahu alimun bidhati as-sudur. Alimun bi. The next one, the next verse is on Surah Al-Alaq, verse 15. كلا لئن لم ينتهي لنسفعا بالناصية. Again, كلا لئن لم ينتهي لنسفعا بالناصية. You don't say نسفعا, you say لنسفعا بي. Okay, so hopefully this is clear enough, and if any of you have any questions, you're welcome to ask the questions just after the recording has stopped. So again, thank you very much for listening, and those who are viewing this on YouTube, if I can just remind you, this is a a Quran class called Nur al-Furqan. If it is possible, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button and the notification button there, so that you'll get the notifications for all our videos and live shows. And also, if you can subscribe and tell others to subscribe, hopefully Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you for your action, and be a good cause, be a mean or a mechanism through which someone else gets to learn the correct reading of Allah's word. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all of us and all of you who are listening, and the students here who are partaking in this session. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help us in our cause and make it all possible and ease our way into the program that we're learning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.